Hi there, it's Sunday the 18th of June 2017. It's Father's Day here in the UK, so welcome to this video. I'm Andy, the trend follower, and I like to look at different asset classes and get aboard trends when they start and stay aboard them until they come to an end. That's what I do. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It is not financial advice. If you want to find out more about what I do, visit my website. I'll tell you more about that later. Let's get stuck straight in looking at shares, and I use the Fundsmith Equity Unit Trust to get exposure to shares, and you can see this is doing nicely. It's still well above the MA52, the average for the year, so I'm staying invested. Now, property, I've got two different property investments. One is the TR Property Investment Trust, which has fallen back a little bit this week, but it has done very well. It's above the MA52, so I'm staying invested in that. The other part is the iShares UK Property ETF, which has done very nicely this week. So this trade is back in profit. You can see I got aboard the trade slightly late and it had fallen back, and yeah, this past week it's gone up a bit, so I'm relieved about that. Now, a couple of weeks ago I had a signal to invest in gold. You can see where it rose above the MA52, but this week the price has closed below the MA52. I wasn't expecting this with all the sort of gloominess in the media, but maybe it's something to do with US interest rates predicted to rise, and gold of course doesn't pay any interest, so it can become less popular as interest rates rise up. So I have a sell signal in gold. Commodities, I'm currently in cash because you can see where the price went down, and it was rising. I was thinking that it would rise and rise and rise, but it's fallen back a bit this week and last week, so I'm quite happy to be in cash in commodities. Bonds, I don't trade in and out of these. I just hold my three different bond ETFs that are denominated in three different currencies for hedging purposes. I don't trade them. Okay, these are the traffic lights. Shares are on a green, property on a green, gold is now a red, commodities on a red, bond on my system I always keep on a green. I hold that. So what have I got to do this week? Well, I'll be selling my gold holding. I must say I'm a bit reluctant to do this. I just have this slight feeling of pessimism in the air, and I wonder whether gold will suddenly become very fashionable again. But that's what I've got to do. Okay, did you notice the picture at the beginning of the video? This is wheat, and like corn, wheat has been falling for ages, but this week the price of wheat closed up above the MA52. So this is kind of interesting, and to me, you know, I like the idea of something's done very badly and is now starting to rise. So there we go, a little interesting observation there. If you want to know more about how I do my financial trend trading, then visit my website and click on the menu button. You'll get a context menu that will drop down, and if you click on how does it work and put your name and email address into the boxes there, I'll send you a 25-minute video with the information about how I go about my trend trading. I hope you'll find it interesting. Now, if this was helpful to you, please do like my Facebook page. That would be great. And if you haven't been to my website, then please visit me at trendfollower.co.uk. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.